Hello everyone, today I want to show us how to cut a flutter sleeves easily. I'll be showing us two different methods, but I'll be showing us the first method there, and then there will be a continuation in another video because I don't want the video to be too long. And what is a flutter sleeve? A flutter sleeve is an unusually flowy and unusually short sleeve, but there is no harm if you choose to make it a bit long. You can decide how long or how short you want it to be, but most people, especially if it's a drawing material, most people prefer it to be a bit short so that you can see that flowy effect. This my Ankara fabric is by 45. I folded it along the yardage. I'm going to be cutting the two sleeves together, and I'm going to be doing my marking on the wrong side of the fabric. I want to cut a 180 degrees flare. By the way, I have 180 degrees flare on my channel. You can check it out. I'm going to be determining the length of the sleeve I want, and I still want this design to show. So I'm going to be measuring from the down part since I have enough fabric. From the upper part, I came down by 14.5 inches because my armhole for this butterfly gown is a bit wide, since it's a free gown. And then from that point I'll be going up by 5.5 inches. That's my calf's height. When we were doing basic sleeve, I explained how we can get the calf's height. You can either use the standard measurement or you calculate. This is where my sleeve length is starting from now. So I measured up around 5.5 inches for my calf's height. From the top of my sleeve, I'm going to be measuring how long I want my sleeve to be. So let me just see. I want it to be around 12 inches. I made a diagonal line from the top of my sleeve to my armhole line, and then I will draw an inverted S here, and by the time I measure it, I should have more than 11.5. You can see I have 13, so I'll be able to join to my sleeve and still have a little excess. And this side, it all depends on what you want. I'll just cut it out. This length is around 12 inches. I can choose to increase it a little. This is my flutter sleeve. It's as simple as ABC, and I'll be joining it to my butterfly gown. And what I'm going to do here, I'll use bias binding to tape it in and then join it to my gown. Thank you for staying to the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and watch out for the slash and spread method of cutting it.